fishy. Go out and get them. Go get your fishies. You going fishing, Quinn? Are you going fishing? You caught a fish.
Good job, you got one.
Daddy was saying you were just walking just now, Quinn. Are you going to walk to get one of your fish?
Not close enough. What are you gonna do?
Gonna walk.
Jump. Jump over there. Jump, babe, jump. There you go.
Quinn, you've caught 3 fishes today.
Good job. Catching fish. Uh-oh, this one's getting away. There.
Gonna be a big fisherman like
You
your
gotta
dad?
do a little catch and release this time, okay? Mm-hmm.